What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the podcast. My name is Toby, and this is where I talk about design, creativity, and my journey in fashion school as I work towards building my own brand. Today, I want to get into something that is becoming more and more important in our industry: sustainable fabric and fashion. What it really means, why it matters, and how it affects the way we design today. So let's get into it. What sustainability really means. When we talk about sustainability in fashion, it's not just about organic cotton or eco-friendly labeling. It's bigger than that. Sustainability is environmental, it's social, and it's economic. Fashion has one of the biggest carbon footprints because of how materials are grown, processed, transported, dyed, and finished. And as designers, we are right in the middle of that process. So understanding sustainability isn't optional anymore, it's part of our job. Diversifying the fiber baskets. Right now, the global fiber basket is dominated by two things: cotton and polyester. Almost everything we wear comes from those two materials, but that also means the pressure on the environment is huge. Cotton takes massive amount of water, and polyester is basically plastic. So designers today are being pushed to diversify, to look into alternative plant fibers, regenerated materials, and man-made fibers that are less harmful, and that open up a new world of creativity for us. Circular systems. Another big concept in sustainability is the idea of a circular system. That simply means keeping materials in use for as long as possible instead of creating, selling, and throwing away. A circular system encourages recycling, reusing, and repurposing. As designers, this shifts the question from what can I make to what happens after someone wears this. Do the materials break down? Can they be reused? Can the garment live more than one life? That mindset changes everything about how we design. Reducing water and chemical pollution. One thing people don't talk about enough is how much water fashion uses, especially dyeing and finishing. Almost a quarter of global industrial water pollution comes from textile dyeing alone, and a lot of those chemicals ends up in rivers and landfills. So, brands are experimenting with waterless dyeing, natural dyes, low-impact chemical processes, all things that help reduce the environmental damage. And the more designers adapt those methods, the better the industry becomes. For me, as a student and growing designer, sustainability is something I want to build into my brand from the start. Whether it's choosing better fabrics, experimenting with recycled materials, or simply being aware of the impact my choices make. This is all part of my design philosophy. So that's today's episode. Sustainable fashion isn't a trend, it's where the industry is heading. And as upcoming designers, we need to understand it and move with intention. If you learned something or have thoughts about sustainable materials, drop a comment and let me know. As always, like, share, and subscribe for more content about fashion, creativity, and my journey through design school. Thanks for listening, and I will talk to you in the next one.